when we understand that there is no other way to win every attack and battle against the enemy, gugma ra gyud igsuon ang makapildi sa yawa. Wa nay lain. Because God is love. Kung mahigugma ka, and kindness is love in action, walay buhat sa yawa nga dili nimo kaya buntugon. The tongue directs your future. Igsuon, your tongue directs your future. Unsa nga future imong gi-imagine today? Unsa nga family imong gi-imagine today? Unsa nga klase nga husband imong gi-imagine today? Unsa nga klase nga wife imong gi-imagine today? Unsa nga klase nga mga anak imong gi-imagine? Unsa nga klase nga trabaho imong gi-imagine today? Speak. Speak to your future. Bahalag wala pa nimo nakita right now. Speak to your future. Because for example, negative ang mong words today. Your tongue directs your future. Do not question yan ang ingana, kabati, kalisod, kapait ang imong giagian karon. Maybe because years ago, maunay ginasulti sa imong baba. The tongue has the power, both life and death. The tongue has the power, both life and death. Igsuon, it doesn't matter kung sige kagbasag Biblia or naa ka kanunay aktibo sa simbahan. Pero the way you talk, you have the power of life and death. In everything nga imong sudlan, dapat prepared ka daan. Dili ka mosulod og something wa ka nanganda mentally, physically, financially, and everything. Now David understood that the Lord is so big and mighty na kaya niya padaogon ang Israel again and again. Ang confession ni David, ingon siya, this day the Lord will deliver you into my hands. What are your struggles right now? Maybe sickness, maybe mentally you struggle with, maybe emotionally you have struggles, maybe galisod ka sa imong marriage, maybe galisod ka financially, maybe nag-fail ka again and again and wa nakakabalun saon pagbakod. Maybe you're struggling with sin. Whatever it is, confess it with your mouth. Today, the Lord will deliver you into my hands. Today, I will win this battle. Not tomorrow, today. It's important that you will speak ahead of every battle. It's important that your words will continue to align with the future that you want. Like God is opening doors for me. When there's a closed door, your confession is that this closed door is for my good. Yes, mohila ko. Yes, nasakitan ko. But God is opening doors for me. Closed door pa lang ni karon. But I will have the right doors soon. My children will serve the Lord. If you see your children today maybe not serving the Lord or going through a certain seasons in their life, continue to speak life to them and say, my children will serve the Lord. My children will be mighty in the land. My children will be obedient to God. Today, maybe you see that your marriage is going through something. This marriage will work. I have married the right woman, the right man. And I will do my part in this marriage. Choose to be that someone that you will encourage people even when they fail. Do not judge people. Do not condemn people. Because yes, ingana na siya karon. Yes, nagpakasala siya karon. Pero years from now, the Lord is able to turn that someone into that person that He wanted you to be. Amen? Build someone. Be an encourager. Like practice saying, I believe in you. Especially when you're a D group leader, build someone by saying, I believe in you. Yes, ga-struggle pa ka karon. Yes, nakasala ka karon. But I believe in you. Kaya ni mo na i-overcome. Kaya ni mo ni buhaton. Kaya ni mo ni i-accomplish. I believe in you. God has great plans for you. So as leaders, kinahanglan practice na nimo kanunay. As parents, kinahanglan practice na nato kanunay. Mo nay mo gawas sa imong baba kanunay. God has great plans for you.